To add your USAA credit card to Apple Pay, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. This app is where you will store all your credit and debit cards for use with Apple Pay. If you do not see the Wallet app on your home screen, you can find it in the app library or by searching for it. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a new card. You will be prompted to choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit card or debit card. Select credit card and then choose to use your camera to capture the card information or enter it manually. If you choose to use your camera, place your USAA credit card in the camera view and the app will automatically scan the card number and expiration date. If you prefer to enter the information manually, tap Enter Card Details manually and type in your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered your card information, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay with your USAA credit card. Review the terms carefully and then tap Agree to proceed. The next step is to verify your card with USAA. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the card and that you have authorized its use with Apple Pay. You may receive a text message or phone call from USAA with a verification code, or you may be asked to sign in to your USAA account to verify your identity. After you have verified your card, you will see a message indicating that your card has been added to Apple Pay. You can now use your USAA credit card with Apple Pay to make purchases online, in-app, and in-store wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To use your USAA credit card with Apple Pay, simply hold your Apple device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with your face, fingerprint, or passcode. You will see a confirmation message on the screen when the transaction is complete. It is a good idea to make sure your USAA credit card is set as the default card in your Wallet app, so it is used automatically when you make a purchase with Apple Pay. You can do this by going to the Wallet app, selecting your USAA credit card, and tapping the More icon, then tapping Set as Default Card. By following these steps, you can easily add your USAA credit card to Apple Pay and start using it to make convenient and secure payments. Remember to always keep your device and card information secure to prevent unauthorized use.